So let's do one more update here. I found some rot in the transom. Can't really see that, it's so dark, but I ripped out all the plywood from back here. A good probably 3-foot section, 3x2 section. A good 2.5, 3 inches thick probably. So in addition to the stringers and the motor mounts here, I tore out the transom as well, so I'll be replacing that. Decided to go ahead and tear it all out before I leave today. Might as well get it all done. So tomorrow I'll be grinding and probably getting some templates cut out and more than likely the wood cut. And if I can get it all bonded in, we'll do that. I gotta bond it all together. These thicknesses, gonna use 3/4 inch wood, marine ply. Bond that together and fill these spaces. Fill the space here in the transom. And if I can get to bonding them in, that'll be great. I definitely get to bonding these side stringers in the deck for sure. So yeah, I will be back tomorrow.